Alright, subscribers. So I already got the rim off. This back here, it would be a 9/16 is what I use. That's close as I got. It was able to break it loose, so I would say that that's it. And to remove your caliper, you would use a 17. This. I'm probably not going to remove the caliper today. I'm probably going to just do that tomorrow. Now I'm trying to compare this brake pad from the outside to this brake pad. It says it's for the front, but I guess let's see. So let's go.
Later.
Alright, y'all. Finally, they have came. Finally. So they're supposed to have been here Wednesday, and they originally said Monday, but I told y'all the first set just didn't look right. I knew it. So this should be. Hold on a second. Let's take this. I probably edit that out. Anyway, this should be. Again, shout out. Follow. Thank you guys. Okay. 2024 Nissan Kicks. Alright. Let's see. Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, and these came with the clips as well. And these are totally different clips. So I might just spray paint these orange. I'll do something crazy. I don't know, y'all. But like the clip that's on there, they should be okay. So maybe that's a ladder project. Oh shit, this came with. Let's see. Let's open it. Drop the phone. Yeah, something else in here. Clean. Okay, so we got. Oh yeah, these are definitely the right one, yo. See the little divot? Right there. Yeah. This is heavier too. So this should last us about 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Yeah. I thought I heard something. Maybe it was just this. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, well. Next part of this is going to be putting these motherfuckers on. But it shouldn't be that hard, as y'all can see right here. It's a little clip. Gotta bend it. And it should just click right in. Might not even have to bend it. With the Versa, you had to like bend it in. But these here might just slide. Click. Again, not paying a dealership $1,500 for something that I could easily go out there and do. Like, if you didn't watch the first video, go watch the first video. It's very simple. It's not complicated. So, stay tuned. That's coming up next. Putting the brakes and the rotors on the kicks. Then I gotta do the van. I gotta do the van's rotors. It's almost too cold to do anything else. So, gotta figure out where this vacuum leak is coming from. But, shall return. Once you loosen those two bolts, it comes free. After that, pretty much you just remove your pads. Boom. 2024 Nissan Kicks brake changing job. Also, you want to make sure you put lubrication and you clean. You change these. I have these to change. I'm gonna see how fast I could swap them out to see. Because I didn't do the driver's side. So I don't think it's old. I mean, it's only 40,000 miles old. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Alright guys, so like I said, I got a 9/16 right here, and pretty much you just unloosen this one, and the bottom one comes free. This I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar to be able to put enough torque behind to pop it off, but I'm going to the store anyway to get the shit that I need to like complete the job. So stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, well I already did the driver's side, and now I'm finna do the passenger. Just remove the lug nuts. Now I'm jacking it up so the tire can fall off, but I pretty much already gave y'all the steps on this back bolt. I have to get this tire off right quick, but this back bolt is a I use a 9/16, but it might not be a 9/16, it might be like 11, or might even be 13. Goddamn, be honest with you, I really don't know. Might put a bolt or two back in there. It should just fall right off. But anyway, it's a pretty simple job. It's not really worth $1,500 to do. And I need to probably sand these down. See, we got a couple of hiccups here. But stay tuned. I'm gonna get this tire off. What it do, what happening, what cracking? Welcome back to the Honest channel. So, just ride, put the brakes and the rotors on yesterday, kind of testing my work, and then I gotta go to the store anyway, kill two birds at one stone. Y'all probably wondering like, why we don't see this nigga so much. Well, I decided to take the camera off myself because I'm not really important. I'm not really important what I'm doing and where I'm going, etc. is really what's most important. But so I tried the brakes, you know, make sure that they stop. Here y'all can see me pressing it now, and they do stop. The car does function normal. I didn't change the clips or bleed the system. So I guess like when you press it hard, it has like a but other than that, I mean, it wasn't a difficult job whatsoever. It wasn't a difficult job. So I mean, I made in 10,000 because it's 45 now. I gotta wipe all this, but I made in 10,000 miles when it's 55. Change the clips and then bleed the system. Now I have to do the rear brakes and the rotors next. So hey, that's gonna be another fun video, man. I mean, it's definitely gonna be more content y'all are gonna see. Me putting my hands on these cars, because these shops and shit is just, they have to get paid. I respect that, but I don't have it. So I mean, what's the next suffice to do? You have to get your ass out there and do it yourself. And I thought this would be hard because this is a 2024, but not difficult at all. Not nothing that nobody can't, you know, do. You know, so if you're in a pinch and you can't pay this dealership $1,500 to change your brakes and rotors, you know, then okay. Now if you have to pay them $200 to change your fluid or whatever, okay, you can do that. That's your choice. Me, I might just do all this shit myself, man, because I just don't see me investing in this $1 million motherfucking dealership. I already have to pay my car note every month. They ain't tell me how to, nah. But we getting the transmission flushed here in a couple of days, and I will have some tires I'm putting on here, and it may even be a different set of rims, just kind of like depending on the totality of the budget. But stay tuned, like, share, comment, subscribe, join the movement, support the movement. Comment down below which one your favorite right now. Is the kicks your favorite, or is the van your favorite? I got new headlights I'm doing for the van, one off. Nobody in the world gonna ever try to copy or duplicate or nothing. And then we may just sell it off, get something a little bit newer, a little bit better, you know. But we'll do the headlights, we'll do the rims, we'll do the headliner, because I got something I'm putting up there on the headliner, and then we'll put the system in it. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. The Honest channel, where we keep shit honest. All blessing, no stress. Alright guys, welcome back. So we got her up here at Community Motors in Cannonsburg. Oh yeah, I gotta get some tires. It's okay, but you can hear the rumble. Yeah, I think it's this one that's the worst. One or the other. But I am thinking about switching these rims, putting these on the van, and putting something else on there. So what y'all think? Y'all think I should go 19s? Should I just boost it all the way to 20 and just go with small 20s? Or just for drivability, just keep it at 18s? Y'all let me know in the comments. We'll forget the transmission drain and refill, and hopefully it'll stop like pulsating. What the heck? Hold on. Alright, yeah, I had a phone call. Hopefully it'll stop pulsating when you accelerate, because that's what the Versa was doing. And then they told us it was like $500, I think, to drain and refill the transmission fluid. So we ultimately just decided like, nah. But let's see if I can get a good yeah, probably that one. Wait. May have to zoom out of it. Hopefully I can get a good picture though, y'all. And hopefully she'll drive better. So y'all know I put the front rotors and brakes on the other day. We have to do the real ones next. These are rusted shits. Brakes, gotta get them too. So that's the next thing I have to do for the old girl. She drives pretty good, stops pretty good. Need to clean this up a little bit. Maybe just paint it a different color. But yeah, hopefully when they change the fluid it'll drive better. So let's hope and pray that it does.
1 hour later.
She looks pretty cool, yo.